Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You're the star tonight.
Surprise! Happy birthday to you, my handsome cousin. To me, you are only 50 years old. That makes me 49 years old. Your life testimony is a blessing to all of us. You are such a wonderful cousin, a loving husband to your wife, a caring father to your children. I pray to God that He will give you lots of grandkids as a reward. Stay young and healthy. I love you. Happy birthday.
Oy, happy birthday para sa pinsang kong napakabait, pogi, confident, at super bait, at may pinakamalaking puso sa lahat ng mga pinsang ko. Happy birthday. I hope you have a very good health. God bless you more. Magpayaman ng magpayaman. Magpahinga at magtour ng magtour. Magtour ka dito sa Icon of the Seas. So, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi everyone! Hello Kuya Boy!
Happy birthday, boy! It's your birthday today.
Wishing you a happy, healthy, and more birthdays to celebrate. We love you! Happy birthday!
Boy, happy birthday. We praise and thank the Lord that you reach 65 years old, and we hope and pray that you will reach 90 to 100 years old. And thank you for your love and care to your family and to Mama Beth and all of us. And Lord and boy, happy birthday. May you have many more blessings and good health to come. God bless you. Happy birthday. Regards to all.
Hello boy, Ate Debito. How are you? Happy 65th birthday. Enjoy your special day. This is a surprise birthday celebration given by your loving wife, Mimi. So yeah, I wish that you have more birthdays to celebrate like your mommy. Happy birthday again.
Hello po! Magandang araw po sa inyo. Hi, Tito! Happy birthday po! Though kayo po ay malayo sa amin, pero still, kami po ay nakikisa at nakikiselebrate po sa inyong birthday. Alam ko po masaya kayo, and salamat sa Panginoon dahil dinagdagan po pa ng Lord yung buhay po ninyo. And salamat po sa inyo sa buhay po ninyo ni Tita na ginagamit po kayo ng Lord as a channel of blessings po dito sa aming outreach po dito sa Coron, Palawan. And Tito, happy birthday, and panalangin ko po sa inyo na pagpalain pa po kayo ng Panginoon sa lahat ng aspeto ng inyong buhay, sa inyong pangangatawan, good health po, and then sa inyong relationship, more love pa po sa inyo ni Tita. And syempre po, dalangin ko po spiritually ang patuloy na paglago po ng inyong pananampalataya. And syempre, mas marami pa po kayong matulungan ng mga taong naglilingkod sa Panginoon. Ayan, happy birthday Tito. Pagpalain ka po ng Lord sa araw na ito, maging sa inyong buong pamilya. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng pagpapalang nare-receive po namin sa inyo, at salamat po dahil nagiging blessings po kayo, hindi lamang po sa amin, kundi sa ibang tao rin po. Yung saya nyo po, yung kagalakan na nakikita ko po sa inyo sa Facebook is talaga naman pong proof na truly ang Lord po ay kasama po ninyo sa lahat ng inyong ginagawa. Salamat po, and happy birthday. Smile naman dyan! Happy birthday po.
Boy, happy birthday! Enjoy your day and good health and God bless.
To my Ninong and sa aking idol sa dance floor, happy birthday. May this new chapter of your life brings you much happiness and joy. May God always bless you on your birthday and throughout the year. with love and continued success. Thank you for always being there and for always supporting me as well. Enjoy your day po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boy!
Happy birthday, Tito Boy! Wishing you more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All the way from Hawaii. Happy birthday. Good health and God bless.
Kain na!
Okay. Bye.
Hello boy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pahabol lang na video for your celebration. Alam ko, noon pa ang kwento mo nga, sabi nila para kang nanalo ng sweepstake. Totoo naman, pero actually, ang pinanalunan mo hindi sweepstake, loto. I was so happy for you. It's a blessing na you reach this age. Talagang hinug na, ripe age, 65. Happy birthday and many more blessings to you. Alam ko how blessed you are and with your relationship, with your marriage sa aking magandang kapatid na kamukha ni Imelda Marcos. Kaya, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health and may you be showered with blessing and may you be a channel of blessing to many other people. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa aking kapatid, kay Mimi at sa mga anak, kay Hannah, kay Mercy at saka kay Emma. And sa good example na pinapakita mo sa kanila on how you take good care of your family and your mom, kay Mami. So, yeah, I wish you a happy birthday and many more blessed years ahead. Bye.